Salon Salon family, this is Unity and this is a earrings of the week. All right, so I made a couple of more pair, but I'm going to show that in a long haul that's coming up. So I'm going to just show these two pairs. These was inspired by Amharic collection. Also have a collection of art pieces, like big art pieces that I'm working on of Black people all over the world. If it's Aborigine, if it's people that's, Afro-Brazilian, Afro-Mexican, just Black people all over the world. Working on this pair right here, it made me say, you know what? I need to do Gullah Geechee Queen. I need to do Afro-Latina Queen. I need to do, like, I'm going to do a whole bunch of ones with Queen. And then after that, I'll start Goddess, like Ethiopian Goddess, Hebrew Goddess. So I'm going to do that. If y'all didn't see these right here, I did them. I'll show y'all a picture right up here of these designs. Here go the Queen design. All these gonna kind of fall in the same category. The same line. These was inspired by that both of these was inspired by this collection right here. The other one I got over there. Let me talk about these right here. This is Ethiopian Queen. When you look at Ethiopian art, you always notice that they have like they kind of have like a halo type thing going around them. That's why, like, when I did these, I always put like kind of like the halo. So this is Jesus and Mary, or Esau and Miriam in Arabic, and this word right here is peace in Amharic. With these, anytime you see anything that I do with Ethiopian art, you're gonna always see like a round, beautiful light shining around them. So yeah, so the Ethiopian Queens, I wanted to make sure I had those colors in, like the Rasta colors. I always call them the Rasta colors. But when you look at a lot of African flags, they have like the red, the yellow, and the green, or they have the red, black, and the green, which is African liberation colors. So the red, black, and green is the liberation colors, and then the red, or some people say Pan-African colors. And then the red, yellow, and green, or red, gold, and green are, most people say Rasta colors. But they mostly in African flags. Like, you'll see those colors in African flags, which the red is the people, the gold is the riches, the green is the land, and the black is the people. All right. So with these, I just decided to do something simple on the back, because the front is so fly. I just wanted to do something simple on the back. She is so cute. She's an Ethiopian queen. Y'all can see that. Let me show y'all a little closer. Look at her eyes. I always draw the eyes. When I do the Ethiopian art, I always draw the eyes with the dark liner. I noticed Ethiopian art is so similar to Kemetic art, which I'm going to draw Kemetic Queen too. So y'all look out for those that's coming up soon. And then the Hebrew Queen, she was inspired by looking at a lot of Hebrew art. And it's interesting because they really from the same bloodline. The Hebrew and the Ethiopians, they're really the same people. So what I did, the same, if y'all seen the video where I showed these right here, and the way the back, the beading with the back, that's the way that I wanted to do these, with this cute little bead. And I kind of did the back that way, so it could kind of like, you'd be like, wow, you know. So it's like that pop on the back. So I've been doing a lot like that. When you look at the back, the bead in the back just go together. Yeah. So if y'all didn't see these, check the link above, and it's a video to talk more about these Unity prints, which I have a couple more designs similar to these that's coming up. All right. So the Hebrew Queen, you know, they really the same people, but you know, as time went on, the tribes split. Like Ethiopian, Hebrew, Comedic, all really the same people. Because if you be around each one of these, they cultures are so similar, from the way they pray, from the way they eat, it's mainly all the same. We have to respect each other cultures, even if we don't agree with each other. I decided to give her like a nice little headpiece right up in here, and I put like these little circles around, which I use a lot in a lot of my artwork, and just give her like a beautiful crown. She's just regal, man. And I wanted to use like pretty colors, kind of bright and different colors that you wouldn't even think to put together. So I put like some lime green in there. I gave her some gold lips, you know. I wanted her makeup to be kind of settled with the lips. From the Ethiopian queen, I gave her like a little dark red lip. But yeah, she came out beautiful. So both of these are on both sites. All right, fam, so I just wanted to share these beautiful earrings with y'all. Look out for Lock Goddess DIY. It's coming up soon, and a couple of more beautiful videos that's coming up. Thank y'all for supporting me. I've been crazy busy. I've been dealing with a lot of business things, elevating the business, taking the business to the next level, just doing a lot of things behind the scene, which I'll share with soon, and reorganizing my work area. I'm rising higher, which I'll do a video about that. And I got a big, huge haul coming up. And also, this is one of the newest books. Y'all always ask me about the books I read. So I'm going to do a whole book, but this one of the newest books I got. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me bring it up some. But this is one of the newest books I got. It's called Orishas Goddess and Voodoo Queen. This book is so spiritual. Y'all don't let people tell y'all that dealing with voodoo and queens and goddess is evil. It's a part of our culture as a people, and people can choose to believe what they want to believe. People should knock nobody else believe. But when I tell you this is one of the best books, I done read just a couple of pages of it, and I wish I just had time to read it, because I literally could read this whole book in a day. But yeah, this is a really good book. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box. It's a really, really good book. The thing about it, it's about healing. It's about your ancestors. It's about everything. Protection, all that. So if y'all want to read this one along with the Queen Afua and the Women Warrior and all the books that I'll show y'all, grab this one. This is a really, 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 really good book. And the artwork is so beautiful. So beautiful. All right, beloved family, I will see y'all in the next video. Salam, salam. Don't forget to leave a beautiful comment. Pick up trash in your community. Don't forget to be kind to those who are kind to you. And salam, salam.